Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jacob. In this video, I'm going to explain what is API development. Now, what is an API? API is an acronym that stands for Application Programming Interface. And what it simply means is that it defines how two software or applications can communicate with each other. An API is like a messenger that takes requests and tell the system what you want to do, okay, and then return the response back to you. So this is how API works. Now let's look at how in real world application what API simply means. Let's say you are traveling to London, for example. What you need is you need to go to the travel website and then book your flight, right? Book your flight and hotel, right? Now while you are there, the travel site uses API to get information from airlines and hotels from your travel destinations. The travel site does not have its own database of flights and rooms, but connect through these APIs. All right. So now you enter your travel details, date, destination, or the kind of hotel you want. If you have idea, and then on the travel side, then there will be a response. The travel site uses API to get the available options from various airlines and hotels, then shows you the result. So this is how API works. A request and a response. A request is made, then there's a response. So that's why I said that an API is like a messenger that takes requests and it returns what? It returns response. So it's a request response. This is how your API works. Now the key thing you should know here is that API simplifies in communication between systems and softwares, okay? It allows communication for them to talk to each other. Then it hides complexity. So you don't need to understand the inner working of a system you are interacting with before you can use it, because API make that possible. It enable integration, so different system and application can work together seamlessly. In conclusion, I want you to know that an API is like a travel booking site acting as what? Intermediary, a middleman that simplifies the interaction between different systems. So it allows you to make a request and get a response, okay, without needing to understand all the details of how the underlying systems work. Okay, so I hope this will help you to understand what an API does and how it works in a straightforward and relatable way. Thank you. Kindly like, share and subscribe this video. God bless you.